Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change email text color in Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change email text color in Gmail, go to your Gmail account, click on the gear icon on upper right corner. Now click on See All Settings. Now scroll down. Here you will find default text style and an option is here text color. Click on the drop down menu on text color. You can choose your favorite color from here. I am changing the color to red. Look, email text color has been changed. Now scroll down. Click on Save Changes. Now I'm going to test. Click on Compose and in email body I'm going to type text in red color. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.